We are too much excited to know about how the airplane flies, how these aircraft wings are producing lift. Today, through this video, we are going to discuss about the basic principle of lift generation in aircraft. Lift is generated by every part of aircraft, but most of the lift on a normal flight is generated by wing. How a simple wing can produce lift? This is due to the formation of pressure difference. Upper surface of the wing will experience low pressure than the lower surface of the wing. Why it is happening? It is because of this shape. It is the cross section of the wing called as aerofoil. Look at this shape. It is streamlined shape. The front part of this aerofoil shape, we called it as leading edge. The tip of the aerofoil is known as trailing edge. Look at this airflow. The air has to travel greater distance through the upper surface from the leading edge to trailing edge compared to the lower surface of the aerofoil. We can study this principle with the help of a small story. Let me introduce these two air elements of the airflow, element boy and element old. They want to travel from leading edge to trailing edge. Because of this lockdown, only one person can travel through one surface of the aerofoil, and also they have a condition they should reach at the same time. How it is possible?
Dear old element and boy element, this is your aerofoil. If you want to travel through the upper surface, you have to travel a long distance. So you should decide who will go through the upper surface.
Oh man, I can't travel long distance. I will travel through the lower surface. Do we reach the same time at the trailing edge?
Don't worry, I can move fast through the long distance upper surface. As soon as possible, we will reach the trailing edge at the same time.
Wow, you both reached the trailing edge at the same time? We can see how it happened. The boy element traveled through the upper surface moved faster than the old element. That means velocity upper is greater than the velocity lower.
Do you know the famous scientist Bernoulli? According to Bernoulli's principle, when the velocity increases, the pressure decreases. The upper surface experience low pressure and lower surface experience high pressure.
This pressure difference creates a upward force from lower surface to upper surface. This force is called as lift. This lift only helps the aircraft to fly. If someone asks you, what is the principle behind the aircraft lift generation? You can answer, it is because of
Bernoulli's principle. To know more about various concepts of science in a small animated video, please like this video and subscribe our channel.